I'm David Noe, CEO of FinGoal. We build analytics and data infrastructure for trusted financial brands. All right, real talk. Who should pay attention to this demo right now? If you work on digital banking experiences, whether at an FI, a neobank, or at a digital banking platform, this demo is for you. If you see massive opportunity in the partnerships between FIs and fintechs, then this demo is for you. If you're lost, Elmo's outside. Today, FinGoal is announcing Link Money for digital banking platforms, the fastest, safest, and most cost-effective solution to make off-bank data available to platform banking. But let's talk about why. So in response to the increased, insane pace of innovation and super apps from folks like Chime, we're seeing all of the major digital banking platforms, folks like Constellation, Q2, Alchemy, Finastra, Backbase, Narmi, Lumen, just to name a few, have all begun to develop fintech marketplaces so that the thousands on thousands of banks and credit unions that rely on them can mix and match all sorts of new functionality, we like to call them tiles, from fintech partners, like you see here on the screen. But there's a really expensive unintended consequence here. And let me just show you. So here we have a bank app that has functionality from 1, 2, 3, 5 different fintech partners that each need off-bank data. Today, each fintech partner has to contract, implement, and pay for data aggregation individually, even though they're serving the same end user in the same bank app. So these redundant costs, we're looking at $3, sometimes $4 per account holder per month just to add off-bank data. And wake back up, there we go. Just to add off-bank data. Right, so check this out. I'm logged in as Maria into her banking app. She banks with Teachers Credit Union, and this app is running on Constellation's open digital banking platform, as you can see here. So she notices that her bank app was recently updated with WalletFi, a subscription management tile. And she'd seen functionality like this before in standalone apps, but she never really bothered to set it up. The thing is that her primary card is not her credit union debit card. She prefers to use her Citi Costco card. So let's just real quick log in here. Come on, paste. There we go. And cool. And bring in off-bank data like we've seen before. And sure enough, there's her Costco Visa card from Citi. And look, we also found a checking account where she keeps cash from her side hustle as a freelance designer. Maria decides to link those accounts and move on. She's brought right back into the WalletFi user flow, and we can see that the Costco card is there. Okay, so you're probably saying to yourself, so what? Companies like Yodlee and MX have made it really easy to add off-bank data for over a decade now. And that was fine for folks that have really large dev teams that build all of their own experience and own functionality. However, right now, with platform banking utilizing a sort of best-of-breed marketplace, that old model completely breaks. Because the off-bank data from Citi that Maria just linked through that WalletFi flow is not available to any of these other tiles. Even though to Maria, she just permissioned it with that data in a function inside of her credit union app. Well, that changes now, because WalletFi and Teachers Credit Union happen to have used Link Money for Maria's connection to Citi. So check this out. Next, Maria's going to go and continue on the refinance of her mortgage loan. And it looks like the next step is to add some assets. And it's no surprise that the origination app has access to core data, right? We expect that. But we also see that the account from Citi is immediately available, even though this was built by a different developer. And she can add other accounts if she needs to. This is a really, really big deal. When we uncovered this problem, we called up our good friends at InvestNet Yodlee as a launch partner for this better solution, Link Money. And now when a user links an off-bank account on one tile, built by one developer, that data is now available to other users, or to that user rather, in other tiles that they're using built by different developers on behalf of the FI. And of course, the data is available to the FI. Later, Maria gets an email from her credit union They let her know that if she were to move that $15,000 over to the credit union's high-yield savings, that she could earn over $300 more in interest every year. And that's really the power of Link Money for platform banking. You link accounts once, you can use them across all of the fintech partners and internally at the FI. Link Money is premiering on Constellation's open digital banking platform and then moving to more platforms next year. We're removing user friction, normalizing data models, and probably the most exciting thing is we're reducing the cost of this data by over 5x. Again, I'm David Noe, CEO of FinGoal. Everything that we do on our team is predicated on clarifying a 360-degree view of the end user to better understand them on a human level, what they care about, what they value, and what's motivating them right now. If you're working on platform banking or partnerships between traditional FIs and fintechs, reach out. Text Link Money to 474747 to find out when Link Money is coming to your favorite digital banking platform. Our team will be at our booth all day. Stop by and catch up. Thank you.